if the distance between the foci of an ellipse is 6 and the distance between its directrices is 12, then the length of its letter sectum is what here? Okay. Here they given distance between foci. Okay. Distance between foci is equal to 6 here. So formula is 2a into e is equal to 6 here. 2 ones are 2 these are cancels here. A into e is equal to 3 here. Okay, a into e is equal to 3. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Okay, and the distance between the directrices. Distance between directrices here is equal to 12. Distance between directrices is 12. So according to formula, it is a 2a divided by e is equal to 12 here. Okay. Then 2 ones are 2 6s are here. Therefore e upon e is equal to 6. Take this one as equation number 2 here. Okay. Here a into e is equal to 3. A upon e is equal to 6. Multiplying here. Multiplying 1 and 2. So multiplying equations 1 and 2 here. Therefore a into e into a divided by e, that is equal to 3 into 6 here. Is equal to 3 into 6. Then here e and this a cancels here. A into a becomes a square here. A square is equal to 6 3s are 18 here. So a square is equal to 18. Yes, a is equal to the root of 18 here. Root of 18 is 3 root 2 here. Therefore a is equal to 3 root 2. Okay. Next we know that here it is a ellipse here. Therefore we know that. So b square is equal to a square into bracket 1 minus a square here. Therefore take a square inside the bracket here. A square minus half a square into a square. Here a square is 18 here. So write here 18 minus. Okay, a square is 18 here. Then e into e is 3. Okay, 3 square is 9. A square into e square is 9 here. 18 minus 9 becomes 9 here. Hence b square is equal to 9. Here we want length of the letter sector here. Okay, so length of letter sector, length of letters rectum is equal to the formula 2b square divided by a. Then 2 into b square is 9 here. So write here 9. 2 divided by a value is 3 root 2 here. Okay, it is 3 root of 2. Therefore this is equal to here 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9 here. Cancels. And this 2 can be written as root 2 square here. Root 2 square into 3 divided by root 2 here. Therefore root 2 and 1 time root 2 cancels here. So 3 root 2 is the answer here. Okay. Here the second here. So 3 root 2 is the correct option. The length sector is 3 root 2 here. Okay, the next question here. If a hyperbola has a length of its conjugate axis is equal to 5 and the distance between foci is 13, then the eccentricity of the hyperbola is what here? Okay, so length of conjugate axis, length of conjugate axis is equal to 5 here. Okay, okay. Here C axis means conjugate axis here. So length of conjugate axis is a formula according to formula 2b here. 2b is equal to 5. Therefore b is equal to what here? 5 divided by 2. Okay. And the distance between foci. Distance between foci is equal to 13 here. Okay. So formula is a 2e into e. 2e into e is equal to 13 here. Hence e into e is equal to 13 divided by 2. E into e is a 13 divided by 2. Okay. Therefore it is a hyperbola here. According to hyperbola, so b square is equal to a square into bracket a square minus 1 here. Take a square inside the bracket here. B square is equal to a square e square minus of a square here. Then take a square this side, b square that side here. Hence a square is equal to a square e square minus of b square. Okay. Here you know e into here. E into is a 13 upon 2. Its square is a 169 by 4 here. 169 divided by 4 minus. And b square is a 25 by 4. It is a 25 divided by 4 here. Therefore 4 LCM here. So 169 minus of 25, it gives a 144. 144 divided by 4, it is a 36 here. So a square is equal to 36, therefore a is equal to 6 here. Okay, a value is a 6 here. Here we want eccentricity. Okay, so according to from result here, from this one, so take this one as a result 1 here. Okay, so from 1, so take a this side here. E is equal to 13 divided by 2 into a. Then a value is 6 here. Therefore 13 divided by 2 into 6. Hence 13 divided by 12. Okay. So 13 divided by 12 is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. So 13 divided by 12 is the answer here. Okay. So the next question, let the length of the letter sectum of an ellipse with its major axis and a center at the origin be 8. Okay, it is a 8 here. It is 8. If the distance between the foci of this ellipse is equal to the length of its minor axis, then which of the following points lie on it here? Which of the following lie on it? Okay. So therefore, in this case, length of letter sectum of an ellipse, okay, with the major axis and center at the origin being 8 here. So length of letter rectum is equal to 8 here. They are already given. So according to formula, it is a 2b square divided by a is equal to 8 here. Here 2 1s are 2 4s are cancels here. Take a that side here. So b square is equal to 4 into a. Take equation number 1 here. Okay, b square is equal to 4a. Next they given distance between foci. Okay, so and distance between foci of the ellipse is equal to the length of its minor axis here. This is equal to length of minor axis here. It is the length of the minor axis here. Therefore, distance between foci is 2a into e here, and the length of the minor axis it is a 2b here. It is a 2b. Then this 2 cancels here. So take a that side here. E is equal to b divided by a. Okay. Take result number 2. E is equal to b upon a. Then it is a hyperbola. So ellipse here. It is an ellipse. Okay. According to ellipse, okay. So b square is equal to a square into bracket 1 minus e square here. This is the formula. Take a square this side here. So b square divided by a square is equal to 1 minus of e square here. But you know that here b upon e is a e. So b square upon e square becomes a e square. So use here. Okay. It is the e square is equal to 1 minus of e square here. So from 2 here. From result number 2 here. Okay. Here b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Take a square this side here. B square upon a square is equal to 1 minus e square. So b square upon a square becomes e square here. Take e square left hand side here. E square plus e square is a 2e square. 2e square is equal to 1. Hence e square is equal to 1 divided by 2 here. Therefore e is equal to 1 divided by root 2. Eccentricity is 1 divided by root 2 here. Okay. Eccentricity is 1 upon root 2. Then from this result here. Okay. Here b square is equal to 4 into a is there. Okay. 4 into a. Okay, here b square is equal to 4a and eccentricity is 1 by root 2 here. So you can use here. So take this one as equation number 3 here. Therefore, from 3 here. From 3 b square is a 4a. So write here 4a. That is equal to a square into bracket 1 minus of e square is there. E square is a 1 by e is a 1 by root 2 here. That 1 upon 2. It becomes 1 divided by 2. Then e and 1 e cancels here. Therefore 4 is equal to 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 1 becomes 1 here. So a into 1 divided by 2 here. Take it to this side here. So here a is equal to 8 here. Okay, a is equal to 8. Then use a is equal to 8 in 1 here. Okay, therefore here b square is equal to, so 4 into 8 here. Okay, 4 into 8 from 1 here. Hence b square is equal to 8 4s are 32 here. B square is equal to 32. Okay, a value is 8 and b square is 32 here. Therefore equation of ellipse is therefore equation of ellipse is x square divided by a square here. Here a square, its square here 64 plus y square divided by b square. B square is a 32 here, so it is a 32. That is equal to 1 here. Okay. Therefore there are 4 points are there. Which point lies on this ellipse here? You just go on substitute here. X value is 4 root 2 here. 4 square is 16. 16 to the 32 here. So if you take the first option here, so 4 4s are 16 to the 32. So 32 divided by 64 plus and 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12 here. So 12 divided by 32. Simplify, will not get 1 here. Then if you take the second option here, okay, here are second option here, 4 square is 16. 16 3s are 48 here. So 48 divided by 64 plus, then 2 squares are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 divided by 32 here. It gives 1 here. Therefore obviously here the second option is correct here. Okay, second option is correct. Even you can try this as third and fourth one. The point not satisfying here. Therefore only B is the correct option here.